Hello Lego fans. This old Lego brick here. I hope you had a good time on your holidays for those who celebrate Thanksgiving. For those who do not or did not, I hope you had a good week anyway. So this video, I wanted to show you a little bit about the process behind elevating my town and creating a subway underneath. There's a train underneath there. It's a slow process. I've only got 3 sections done. Got plenty more to go. I got a pick a brick order in just recently, and so I want to show you a little bit behind the scenes on how I do it. So let us begin. At the end of the video, I will have a piece count plus step-by-step instructions how to build a section similar to what I'm doing in your town, if you have interest, or if that's something you plan on doing in the future. So here, this section is going to be donated to my police station, and I start out like any section in my elevated town with these 9 16 by 16 base plates. The next step, I have 6 by 6 black plate pieces, and you'll notice that they are slightly off center. And you'll see why I do that in just a moment. Alright, so right here I have 2 by 12 plates, and they will be going right here in between each of the sections, just like so. All right. Next step, I've taken these 2 by 10 and 16 of them and arranged them so on each corner. So I'll do that one. Kind of build the outer edge. Now that I've done that, I have a 2 by 4 section left on either end. And over here, 2 by 8 section left. So let me fill those in with the appropriate pieces. Here and here. And that kind of completes the edge of the square here. Next is to put in some pieces right. To do that, I also have the same 2 by 10 pieces I used here for the majority of the edge, and they will be going right in there. Now, like I said, at the end of this video, there's more of like a picture step-by-step and piece count. So, but you know, explore and see what works better for you. If this is what you want to do, I mean, you don't have to do it the way I'm doing it. This is just the way I've chosen to do it at this time. You know, if you have any suggestions, I would definitely like to hear it. See if I can reduce my cost a little bit. This was the 2 by 10s were the big cost of this venture, because I needed a lot of them. And as you see, we are complete here on the bottom. Oh, not quite. Now, it is the size of a large single gray base plate. All right. So I flip the plate over and put in where the police station is going to be. I left this stuff indented here because it runs straight with the street. Normally, typical modular building, all this would have the light gray across it up to the edge of the street here. This is a little bit different, and in the pictures at the end of this video kind of shows you what typical modular building. So the street's going to fit here, and I'll show you that in just a minute. This is where the two garages are going to go in when I rebase the police station. All right. I put in a stretch of road, and this is comprised of 144 2x2 black flat tile pieces, 6 1x6 yellow flat tile pieces. In between each are 1x2 black tile pieces, and on either side a total of 12 1x8 black tile pieces, flat tile pieces. And so it's roughly about 25 US dollars, I believe, give or take, to create one section of road. While that is a little bit more expensive than the road base plates, it is considerably cheaper than the snot built roads that I see, and it's one of the reasons why I decided to do this, and also that it fits nicely with the modulars and on a single large gray base plate. Alright, now that I got the top done, let me work on the bottom. To begin with, I'm going to have a large single gray base plate. Will serve as the bottom. And then I have 16 of these white 2x2 by 16 Technic pieces. I don't know the actual element number or what they're really called, and I will start by putting them here on the corners and around here. They will serve as the ultimate support and having the train run underneath. So let me go ahead and do it. All right. As you can see, the infrastructure is coming along. Now, after I put one on each corner, there's about 13 spaces between here and here. So you select the other one, and then between the two pieces here is 14. So 13, 14, 13. And it's done that way, so each of the 16 by 16 plates share a single post. So the 16 by 16 plate will be here, and it'll stop right about here. The next one starts, and stops, starts, and then finishes over here. And that just gives a little bit of extra support. Now on top of these, I'm going to put 2x2 jumpers, and that will allow me to pull off the top if I want to with relative ease, so I can get out underneath, or swap the top streets around if I want to swap the top section with another elevated section. I can do that as well. So let me put the train track in. Right, now that I have the bed of 2x2 flat gray tiles like this, I have a track on there, and it's fastened on by a 1x8 tile on either end. Alright, now let me put the jumpers on and show you the completed project. The bottom section is complete for now. I still have all this space here that I can build little vignettes, parking garages. I'm not sure what will go beneath the police station, or in fact what's going to go beneath the pet shop and Parisian restaurant. Super secret police headquarters maybe? I don't know. You should leave a comment below what you think should be down here. It can definitely be used for extra storage for sets that I put together, I can tell you that. I'm running a little low on shelf space. I also wanted to make mention that the straight pieces of track here is they begin 4 stubs away from the edge here. And that is because when the curved sections, which I'll be putting in the town, they will meet up exactly, and one curved section will fit nicely on one large gray base plate like this. You got to love Lego math. So let's put on the tile. Right there it is, and of course it's fairly stable enough to play with, move around. The weight of the building will further add to the stability, and later on I will probably reinforce these sections. So anyway, thank you for watching. I appreciate all the comments and likes and subscriptions. And even if you don't subscribe, thank you for watching. And until next time, happy building.